Welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be making some good jollof, and the ingredients are here. And today I always make like 3 cups of jollof to eat. People love my jollof. When I'm making party, I never go without making jollof. When I make the jollof, it's the first thing that is finished. And if you are new here on my channel, I'm always here with my kitty. You see my kitty? Then my real kitty is up sleeping. She's tired. So that's why I always get my kitty on. If I don't get it on, I won't be here. So come on, come see the ingredients I'll be using. So with the jollof, we're going to be needing my cooking pan, some oil. It's a ground beef jollof. Ground beef, I'm going to use the whole thing. We will need onions, cut fresh tomato, and today I'm going to use this basil, garlic, and oregano canned tomato. It's very good. It makes food to taste very good. So I'm going to use this today. And these are all the ingredients. My minced garlic, everything here. Green pepper cut, some carrots. It's all fresh. I cut it. Some cilantro. I'm going to use all. And I'm going to use this jasmine rice. I'm going to make 6 cups today. And today the jollof, and guys, you know what we'll be eating the jollof with? Cucumber, avocado, tomato, onion salad. No lettuce. I have a whole bowl of avocado there. A lot. So you see all my avocados? A lot. So I'm going to be making avocado salad today. So guys, let's begin. So guys, I'm going to turn my stove on to high to get the pan very hot so I can stir fry my ground beef. And we need little oil. As I always tell you, the ground beef sometimes it has little oil, but I bought the lean one. It's not fattening at all. So I need just little oil here. Yeah, I think add little more because we're making a lot. Just little more, yeah. And now this is my ground beef. I'm going to rinse it with salt. So now I'm cutting my onion while the oil is heating up. So we're going to put the onion in the pan. Oh my God, it's so hot. Yeah, too hot. Very good. And then right away put the ground beef. You see that? And then right away you put your garlic paste, a lot of garlic to cook the meat. I have more garlic. I'm going to use the rest of this one. Guys, watch. Making jollof is easy. Very easy. You can make it and it's good. You keep it in this lockdown. You keep it in the fridge. You take some, you just microwave and you eat. And right away you put your green pepper. And then you add some Maggi cube. I have some cumin here. I like to cook with cumin too. Any spices you have in your cabinet that you like, you use it just to cook. Cumin is always good. You put some. You add some. I have rosemary here today. I'm going to use some little rosemary too. Woo, wow. And then what else do I need? Curry will be last one to give it a good smell. And then I have to add some salt here. And then now we let it cook. It has to cook first. We have to stir fry, let it cook. And then the next step is to add tomato. This is our dinner, guys. This is our dinner, jollof rice with some cucumber avocado salad. Healthy. And now I'm going to add some black pepper. Okay, so now I'm adding some black pepper to cook the ground beef. It's enough. And later I'm going to add some red one too. Guys, can you see how beautiful it is? Yeah, cooking is very easy. So from today, if you don't cook, please try and start cooking. Look at all the food I made on my channel and try to make something to eat, okay? Fresh, healthy, and nice. I always cook in the house every day. So we're going to let this cook a little. I'll cover it. I'm cutting. I like using a lot of onions to cook. I'll put it here so I can cut my cilantro. My cilantro is washed here and wrapped in tissue. I like to cook with a lot of cilantro. Woo. We're making a lot, so I'm using a lot of cilantro. This kind of food is handy. Anytime you're lying down, you get up, you just take some, heat up in the microwave, and you eat. And jollof, you can make jollof with you can make ground beef jollof, you can make chicken jollof, you can make tuna jollof, you can make corned beef jollof. You know corned beef is very good too. I'll show you corned beef. Yeah, last time I called my auntie and she said she was making jollof. And then I told her, oh, when she told me, I also made some with ground beef. Then she said, oh, you know, you can use corned beef. I said, oh, I forgot. Way back, yeah. So she likes to use corned beef. It's good too. It tastes good. So you can use any kind of meat at all to make jollof. Okay, so please try and be cooking. Quick. Something small and you eat. This is all my cilantro. So we're just letting the meat cook a little, and then the next thing we'll add tomato. Guys, you see my ground beef? Smells good. That's what I'm talking about. Oh my God, beautiful. So while the meat is cooking, we measure the rice. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We're going to cook off. So even tomorrow too, we can eat some, or it can be in the fridge. After 2 days, you can eat it. It's good. Wow. I'm loving this. Wow. I'm going to add some more garlic. Yeah. Woo. More garlic. Just like this, and you add like 1 cut tomato. You can eat it with rice. Just like that. If you don't want to make jollof, yeah.
It tastes bomb.
It tastes bomb, I'm telling you. Try. So now we're going to clean the rice. We're going to clean the rice now. So I'm washing my rice. So now the water is becoming clear, so I think it's good now. Maybe one last one. Yeah, so you always have to stir fry your meat first, and I think I'm going to put the rice now to stir fry a little. It wouldn't be mushy. It will be like single, yeah. So I'll stir fry my rice a little. Yeah. See, I'm putting the rice now. No water. Guys, you can make it like this, or you can put the tomato first and you add your rice, whatever way, to still cook. There are so many ways of cooking, so many ways, but I'm just here to let you know cooking is easy, and so you should try and be cooking all the time, most of the time. You see? Oh my God, just this, even see how beautiful it is. See? I'm I'm going to let it stir fry a little, and then I'll add my tomato. I'm loving this. So now we add in our tomato. Woo, 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 woo. Beautiful. I'm not going to use too much water, just little water. So stay with me and watch me. And then, guys, I forgot my red pepper. Right away, you can put your carrots. And guys, watch. Look at this beautiful view. See?
Greens.
Greens. Wow, so beautiful. And I'm left with 1 carrot. I'm going to cut it too and add it. And then right away we sprinkle some how do you call it, curry powder. Yeah. Wow. See? That's all we need. Food will be ready in like 20 minutes. That's our dinner with some salad. Ooh, 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 ooh. It's smelling good. You guys, can you smell it? Can you smell my jollof? Look at the view here. Look. Oh wow. Ground beef jollof. I'm loving the smell and the view. It's so beautiful. And it's going to be delicious. When you are cooking, you taste the salt, the pepper and everything. I don't need to add anything. I gauge everything. It's perfect. Wow. Nana, just try the back. Stop. Stop.
Deadly. So good. Now you're the best.
When you cook jollof, this is how you do it. You don't add too much water. The sauce and everything and slow cook will cook it well and make it tasty. Everything inside. See? How do you say? Gorgeous. I don't even know the word to use. So this is all the water I'm using. See? Just little water to cook my rice. And it's going to cook. Because I'm going to cover it with plastic, a rubber bag, and then use the cover to cover it so it will cook it slowly and nice. Okay, steam it up. Yeah. So now let me get, my fire is too much. So guys, I'll show you the finishing part, and while this is cooking, I'll go ahead and make my cucumber salad. Okay, see you later, guys. So now guys, this is how I cover my jollof with a plastic bag. See, just like that, and then put it on low, so the under won't bend. I soak my plastic bag in salt water, and then I rub it. I have a brush. Where's my brush? I soak it in water, and then I use the brush to clean it good and rinse it well, and now I'm using it to cover my rice to cook. Okay, so guys, I'll show you the finishing part. I'll serve and show you with the salad and everything. Okay? Alright. My kitty is back. She's awake. She took a nap. She's here. You see her? Yeah, that's my kitty. She's called Gas.
Kitty legs, kitty feet, and kitty.
Ta-da! Serving jollof is ready. So guys, this is the finishing part. My beautiful ground beef jollof and cucumber and avocado salad. Cucumber, avocado, tomato and onion salad. If you like this view right here, go and punch on the subscribe button and like and comment and make some and tell me how it tastes like. Same recipe, okay? Thank you. Enjoy with me. Bam! Done.